Hi, I wanted to make a quick little video about corrections and retakes for math class. So this applies mostly to quizzes, and as we figure out remote learning this year, we're going to have to maybe make some tweaks, but here's the basics for you. So I think you can see my screen also, and I'll go through this and explain it. So in order to be able to do retakes, your effort scores have to be 2.0 or higher. So those effort scores are all the things that we check in for a 2-week period, and then I average those out and I put in an effort score. So if your effort scores are high, you're doing all your assignments, all your video notes, all your homework, then you can do retakes. In order to do test corrections, so after we take a unit test, in order to make any corrections on that, all your quiz scores have to be a 2.0 or higher. So make sure you're fixing quizzes as we go if you have a low quiz score. Complete the assessment analysis sheet. So that looks like this. It is also posted in Google Classroom under assessment analysis sheet, or I think I'll call it like correction sheet. And you can print this off at home or get a copy from me. You're going to fill this out for all the questions you got wrong on the original quiz. Okay. If it's for a quiz, you do need to get a parent signature, which it asks for on here. Okay. All right, going down. So then when you have that completed, you can do it at home on your own time. You make your own corrections. Let me know if you need help, but you can do it on your own. Then you're going to bring this correction sheet stapled to the original quiz back to me and turn it in. If you're fully remote, then you will take pictures or scan it and send it to me. Okay? And then you'll get a copy of a retake quiz. So if we have lunch help offered later in the year, you can do it then. You might have time to get it done in class. I might say take it home and bring it back to me tomorrow, or I might just email it to you and you email it back. Okay? So you take the retake, turn it back into me, and then I'll grade that. Okay? So all retakes have to be completed within 2 weeks of the original. So like, for example, if we take a quiz on Friday, you'll have until 2 more Fridays to get the retake done. And retake scores. So I usually save retakes in a folder on my desk, and I get to them every few days. So don't expect your retake score right away, but I will get to it sometime during that week. All right. Let me know if you've got questions about retakes. Thanks.